Yes, I read every night. Do you have a favorite author?
Yes, I like J.K. Rowling. Who is your favorite author?
I like Jane Austen. Do you write notes while studying?
Yes, I do. Do you find it helpful?
Yes, it helps me remember. Do you take breaks while studying?
Yes, I take short breaks. Do you take long breaks?
No, I take short breaks too. Do you like studying here?
Yes, it's quiet. Do you study here often?
Yes, I study here every week. Do you have any tips for studying?
Yes, make a schedule. Do you follow a study schedule?
Yes, it helps me stay organized. Are you ready for the test?
Almost. Are you?
Yes, I feel prepared. Good luck, Mark.